MICA Ahmedabad has released MyCat 2021 application form for PGDM and PGDM-C. The application form has been released on October 7 in the online mode, and one can fill the form for Phase 1 till November 25, 2020. If you are one of the aspiring candidates wanting to pursue PGDM and PGDM-C from MICA Ahmedabad, then it's important for you to know the detailed process for filling the MyCat application form so that your application process is hassle-free. Careers 360 brings to you a visual treat explaining the step-by-step guide on how to fill the MyCat application form 2021. Steps to fill MyCat application form. Firstly, you have to go to the official website of MICA and click on Apply Online. A new tab will open and then you need to click on New Registration for all the programs. As soon as you click the New Registration for all the programs, a pop-up will appear that recommends the browser such as Edge Chromium, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, etc. that should be used while filling the application form, and then click on Close. Next, you have to fill in the registration details such as name, mobile number, email ID, and then click on I agree button and then click on Submit. As soon as the MyCat registration process is complete, the user ID and password will be sent to the registered email ID and the mobile number. A new window will appear stating that the registration process is successful, and then click on Go to Application Form. A new window will appear wherein you have to enter your login details, that is the user ID and password. After you have logged in, you need to fill in all the details of the MyCat application form. You have to first fill in the other personal details. In case the permanent residential address is same as the correspondence address, then click on Yes. If not, then they have to click on No and then fill in the details of the permanent address. Subsequent to that, you have to fill in your contact details and other details where you need to select from the options as an answer to the question, how did you come to know about MICA? Further, candidates have to upload their photograph and signature that should be in JPEG or GIF format and should be less than 80 KB, and then you have to click on Save and Continue. After the data has been saved, you will move ahead to the next section and fill in the qualification details. Next, you have to fill in the graduation details and master PG details. In case you are not a graduate or have not done your masters, then select No from the drop-down list. Now, you have to provide the details about any additional degree that you have. Further, you have to provide employment experience details and then click on Save and Continue. You will be directed to a new window where you will have to select the name of the exam whose score you want to submit and fill in the marks and then click on Save and Continue. If you have not appeared for the exam, then just select the name of the exam and click on Save and Continue. Now select MyCat 1 and then select the program amongst PGDM-C and PGDM. If you select both the programs, then select your priority accordingly. Next, you need to give 3 preferences for the choice of center for the MyCat 1. Further, you have to select 2 cities in case you get shortlisted for the GE, PI, and then click on the Submit button. MyCat application form appears on the screen. In case you want to change or update anything, then click on Go to Application for Updation. Otherwise, click on MyCat 1 Payment to proceed with the payment of the application form. You will be redirected to MyCat Payment window and then click the plus button to make the payment, and then another window will appear where you need to click on Agree for making a payment of Rs 1985. Candidates can pay the application fee via credit card plus ATM PIN or internet banking. After filling the details, click on Make Payment. After successful payment, the payment status shows successful. You can download the application form and preserve it for future reference. For general queries on how to apply, you can call on the following numbers. In case you face any technical glitches, you can send an email to micahelpdesk@gmail.com.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and visit Careers 360 website for more details.